Okay, so Ryan, this is me. I'm just trying to show you how you could make a new Excel file. Okay, so I've opened Excel and I'm going to go File and New. So I'm making a brand new Excel document and you end up with this. I might ask you for a brand new Excel workbook, but it's the same thing. So in this one, I can put in some words. So let's say apples in this box, oranges, and lemons. Then I'm going to put the price of each, and I'm going to put the quantity we're going to buy. So apples, maybe I'll just zoom out to make it a little bit easier for you to see. So let's say apples are 120, oranges are 150, and lemons are 90 cents, so 0.9. The quantity, let's say I get 5 of these, I'll get 7 of those, and I'll get 34 lemons. So to do my maths, okay, I'm going to use a formula. So I'm going to press the equal symbol, so that's for a formula. So I'm going to multiply 1.2. So I just use the left and right arrow key, okay, to move to the box I want to start multiplying. So then I press the asterisk. So in my keyboard it's above the number 8, and then I press by 5, okay, and I get my total. I'll do the same again, except this time I'm going to use the coordinates. So this is C3, okay, so I'm going to press C3, asterisk, and then this one is D3. And now I'll look at lemons, so equals C4, okay, and I need to multiply, so asterisk D4. And now I want to add all of them together. Now there's two ways I can add them together. Press equals this number, plus, move up to the next number, plus, and move up to the next number. Or the other way I can do is use the sum function. So equals sum, and then in brackets 6, okay, that's the first number, okay, colon, that's the two dots, and move it down to where I want to finish. I want it to finish there, bracket, finish. So I end up with the same number. So that's how you would use Excel to do some maths. I hope that's useful.